Hello everyone, my name is Ram. Welcome to Buzzyfields Devlog number 3. After adding the possibility to save the game last week, I did a little bit of playtesting and many bug fixes, improvements, and balance tweaks. Then I started adding animals to the game. I made some icons and added most of the logic and UI elements for animals. It is the first time that I get to actually play the game, and it was fun and very useful for finding and fixing many small bugs and balance issues. I set a few starting conditions like the month, the farm layout, and the money. As I was playing the game, I was taking notes like the improvements, the balance issues, and the bugs I found. Most of them I was fixing right away, but sometimes I was just adding it to the Trello for later. The summer is already almost over, and the garden gave us so many vegetables. I made about 20 kilograms of canned whole tomatoes, and there's going to be another harvest in a couple days. I made a little video of the entire process of canning tomatoes. If you're not interested, just skip ahead. So the first step obviously is to harvest the tomatoes. I weighed them just to have a rough idea of what I had. Then you boil the tomatoes very quickly so the peel comes off. You boil the pots to sterilize them.
C'est toute la même vidéo.
Ouais, c'est pas grave. Je suis capable de couper tout ça. Then you peel the tomatoes. Add them in the jar. Then you close the jars and you boil them for a couple minutes. And you're done. And it should preserve for many months at room temperature. As I mentioned last devlog, the next step in the development of Buzzyfields is the addition of animals. It will allow us to craft more complex recipes with eggs, milk, meat, and many animal products. In the long term, I plan on adding many different kinds of animals, but to set the basics, I focus on chickens, cows, and pigs. I used Sprite to make 3 animal icons I needed. This time-lapse shows the creation of the 3 animal icons. This is how it looks in the game. I added a window to add the animal building. So the chicken coop, the cow barn, and the pig barn. The heart is just a placeholder for now. It's meant to be the button for caring for the animals, so it will open the window so you can feed them and water them. And then how it's structured inside the code, I have the animal object, which holds if it's a male, the quality and its hunger and everything. Then there's the animal data object and the animal database. If you're interested to know more about how I structure my data, check the link in the description for the tutorial I made. Well, that's it for this week. Next week I plan on finishing the animal system and mainly making it possible to buy the animals, feed, water, collect, and then probably even butcher them. So stay tuned for the next devlog. Have a very good day. And by the way, our chicken gave us our first egg just about a week ago. Hey, if you want to connect, join the Discord server I just set up. Link in the description.